Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, braking assist, power brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.